Alright guys, sorry I'm not there to explain this to you, but I will do the best I can. So please listen to the video because this is more complicated than just doing an assignment. So it says if you go to the calendar, it says that we're starting kindergarten flashcards, or it's really like a flip book. And so what we're going to do is, if you go to week ending 10/30, there are 3 examples. So the first example is one that has the short A sound. So this is a picture, and then it's got the short A, cat, instead of A. Okay, so this is the short one, and it's basically finding little pictures and then underlining what it is. Okay, the second one is so you would take and put a picture, and then you can either put 1 letter or 2 letters, and then they get to pick which one it is. So this would be CA for car. See how this goes. All right. You only have to do 1 page, which is 12 boxes. Okay. If you do more, I will give you extra credit. And then the third one is another option, which is basically putting a picture of something, putting how it's spelled, and then on next to it, or it would turn out to be on the back of it, it would have the correct answer. Okay, so you need to do one of those 3, and you can do it using short and long A, short and long E. Oops, sorry about that. I'm trying to remember what other things I gave you. Starting letter of a 3-letter word, ending letter of a 3-letter word. So like when it was car, you can have a C or you can have an R, and you can go from there. Also in week 10/30, if you go here to the template, it will open up in Photoshop, sorry, in PowerPoint. You have to download it, and then you will open it in PowerPoint, and you can create, so you don't have to start from scratch. You can just make these your boxes. I will be back on Friday, so if you have any problems or questions, I'll deal with it then. This is not due until next week, but I needed you guys to get started on it. Have a great day, and please be good for the sub.